So everyone is talking about that AI is taking jobs, and we are seeing a lot of layoffs in lot of the big companies. You name it, Amazon, Google, Meta, any companies you heard of, they all are laying off employees. So what do you think? Is there any scope of doing software engineering anymore, or even the engineering itself is relevant these days? So we will discuss all these things in today's videos. So stay tuned. This is Gurdas Suribhavikar and I am working as a senior software engineer at Opportune. A lot of my friends, they are like worrying about their jobs. They are already very experienced, like 8 to 9 years of experience they have, like I also do. The concern is that will AI take their job? The answer is no. AI won't take their job. So in all the companies, IT tech companies, so what people are doing, they have company itself, they are giving us the subscription of chatgpt pro, even the copilot, github copilot premium version. So all these ais that you know and which you are using at a free version, we are the software engineers at these companies, we are using a premium version of those. And you uh, take take from me that these ais are a lot of capable of doing lot of things, and they are coding very good, but they need instruction from human. They always need human, and without that they won't be able to complete anything. So we have to prompt that we how we want to design our code, how the architecture will look, what kind of output we want. So these inputs has to be given by human beings. So the answer is simple: the AI is not taking your job. The people who are not using AI, they will lose their job by next 2 to 3 years. And believe me, there is no AGI or something that will like code everything automatically within overnight, like the app can be built. Nothing such things is going to happen. These are like all false hopes that all these ChatGPT, OpenAI companies and other companies were giving to us. They were saying that AGI is coming and a lot of things will change. Certainly, yes, but no. Jobs will still will be there. If you compare it with the dot-com boom, the internet boom, right? In late 90s. So that time also internet came. A lot of people predicted that the jobs will go. Now computer is there, so these computers and the internet will take our jobs. But do you think, just look at the today's time, do you think there are no jobs? In fact, the jobs are more nowadays. So similarly, when AI will be fully used by us or the human beings, there will be more jobs. There will be need of lot of people who can uh, train these AI models, or who can uh, get the best output from these AI models. So there are a lot of new jobs that will evolve from this. So the job can one job can be like a software engineer, or the artificial AI engineer, you can say. In today's companies also, there is a post called AI engineer who can uh, create some workflows to automate some things. So this can be done by using agents. So there are some agents you can build by using an N8N website. You can Google about it and see how you can build agents, how you can build workflows to automate certain things. So these are some futuristic jobs, and still there will be a full stack developer role will always be relevant in this job. We always need people to think, design, and architect big, large scale softwares. So human beings are always required. So take my word and don't get demotivated from the artificial intelligence. I would say it is a productivity tool. It is just here to help you with your productivity. You can uh, complete your work that you used to work for 6 months, right? That kind of work, 6 months work, can be done in just 10 days or 1 month, maximum 1 month, not more than that. So that is the capability of AI these days. But they are here to help you, not to take your jobs. So just adopt it, learn as much as possible, learn all the AI tools. Those are very popular, like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, uh, and these GitHub Copilot. So these are the four major ones. You should learn these. If you are a student, please go through these chatting AI models and use them as much as possible. The more you use it, the more you will know how to use them, how to prompt it, and what kind of context you need to give to get the certain kind of output. So people are really needed in this industry, tech industry. There will be lot of jobs, and there are already jobs related to AI engineering. So please read about it and apply for the different roles in the IT industry. The old roles will be there, but you have to upgrade yourself with the latest technology. Yeah, so that's all for the today's video. If you have any question and you want to know what all technology you want to learn so that you can be relevant in this current situation, please do comment on this video. I will reply to your comment. I'll let you know what all things are still relevant. And if you like this video, please hit a thumbs up on this. Do a like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.